On entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my bands on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by fan my brother Kamabanu Pumanguphi.
Utholi ngimphumela impompo.
Game ibona kanjani?
Hayi game enzima ndoda. Wona first half.
Yeah.
Hayi ngiyayivuma iPirates.
Wayidumela Pirates?
Hayi ngiyayidumela Pirates.
Hey.
Wabona yero bolela ka football bafana ba banyane ba.
Yeah.
Batlisa football mo Mzansi. Bafana ba igemiseditse.
Yeah.
Level Denson.
Yeah.
Ubolela mufokele la police.
Sure.
Wabona 3 mo Pirates. I salute ke Khosi for life.
Yeah.
Ke shola gona Chorena, the home of soccer, the biggest institution.
Yeah.
Awuna mo ke ya.
Yeah.
Mara bafana ba ke ba vuma.
Pirates ya inka Black Label.
Ke a Daud.
What out?
I get Daud.
Bato basha.
I get Daud.
Bato basha pa finally.
Bayo beto chumia.
Yeah, by Bible.
Why did you like go belori?
Yeah.
Ba bitse Khosi.
Yeah.
Ba bitse rona re tlo badlalela final.
One time.
Ta wantsa 4 early.
Yeah.
Last.
Yeah.
Ro pinda ine 84 for rona for Pirates.
Ke o tshwara.
Wa tlhaloganya.
Man of the match. Man of the match.
CBC.
Thank you.
CBC.
Yeah.
O tletse mfano la CBC.
Yeah.
Man of the match for today.
Thank you, Rudman Lai.
Thank you.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?